In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open TikTok app muted. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And the first step, open up TikTok app. When you open TikTok, the video start playing immediately, and if you have the sound on your device turned up loud, you can disturb people nearby. To open up your TikTok app always in muted, head over to your profile, then tap at three lines and select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find Playback. And that's where, at the very top, you can easily find Open TikTok on mute. All you have to do is just activate it, and then if we open up TikTok app, it will be opened with no sound. It is actually muted now here. And to unmute the app, we need just to tap right here at that button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.